This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix voice chat not working on the Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! It can be frustrating when your Roblox voice chat isn't working. Voice chat is an essential way for player to communicate during gameplay. Luckily, there are a few things you can do to fix this problem. This video will show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open the Roblox. First thing, you have to make sure that your voice chat is active. So to check it, you can go to settings, so you can select more. Now you can go to settings. From settings, you can go to privacy and content restriction. Now you can select on communication. On communication, you can go to voice, party and chat. Party and chat. You have to make sure that your party chat, party voice chat is active like this. Now, after that, you can check if your voice chat is working or not. So we'll try to go to this map, for example. So here's, if you still can't find the voice chat in here, you have to make sure that you connected with the voice chat. So you can select in here on your Roblox menu. Now you can go to settings. From settings, on the chat and language section, there is an option voice chat. You have to make sure that this is connected. So if it's disconnected, the voice chat will not working. So you have to switch it from disconnect to connected. And also don't forget to use the volume. Now you can resume. So now you can see here's your microphone on Roblox is active. So now you can talk with friends, with your voice chat using this microphone on your Roblox. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix microphone on Roblox not working. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.